Now that we understand the importance of having a paper trading account, let's take a moment and learn how to open one. Personally, I like to trade with a platform known as ThinkorSwim by TD Ameritrade. It's a very simple platform to use, and I find it's very good for students who are just learning how to trade options. Let's learn together how to open up a paper trading account. First of all, you got to look up ThinkorSwim. Just go to Google, type in ThinkorSwim paper trading, and the first link, register for paper money. So we'll click on that. That'll bring us to this page. So first we're going to register for paper money. So we're going to click on that button there and click no, I'm not registered. And we're going to start going through the process here. So you just enter the number that you see in front of you. It's a very simple process to get started and to get started with ThinkorSwim. Create your password, and then once you come up with your password, it's fairly straightforward. You're just going to go and fill in all the information below, just like you would fill in information for anything. So I'm not going to go through all this, but you can just see here, fill in all that information. That is just a list showing you the appropriate number for the country you live in when you're putting in your phone number, your address, region of residence. So you can use this paper trading account anywhere in the world, which is fantastic. Once you've filled in all this information, you can scroll farther down and you're going to want to put in your trading experience. So just tell the truth. If you have 0 years, you can put 0. Put 1 to 9 times per month, and you want to choose options. That's the only thing you need to choose. No, I do not have a brokerage account, and then you're going to press submit. After pressing submit, it's going to bring you to this page here, and if you scroll down, you'll see the various forms that you can download this application, and that just depends on what computer you're using. If you're using a Windows, Mac, Linux, so it really depends on what your computer is. You're going to have to look that up for yourself. I personally am trading on an iPad, so I'm going to show you how to download this on an iPad as well. On iPad or iPhone, you can simply go to your apps, your download apps, and type in ThinkorSwim, and then just download that. It's very simple. And there is a third option too. And finally, the best way to install this app is simply go to your email, follow the link, and once it arrives, you're going to say, yes, I have an existing TD Ameritrade account. You'll put your information in, and you'll be directed to this page, which is a similar page where you have all the links where you can download the various apps depending on what computer you're using. And again, I downloaded mine through the App Store. Now, you'll go back into the application that you downloaded. You're going to open it up, and it'll bring you to this page. So you press accept. And now switch it to paper money, type in the credentials that you had previously created, and you will be logged in and ready to go. Once you've logged into your trading account, you'll see up at the top left-hand corner you have $200,000 to trade with. You have this account for 2 months or 60 days. I highly suggest after the 2 months that you download this app again and restart from the beginning until you have approximately 6 months of paper trading experience before you start trading real money. So we can look around. We'll type in Tesla into the ticker symbol. Now we can see a chart come up. You can just take some time to look around this application. You don't need to feel overwhelmed. We're going to learn what all this means very soon. Those are candlesticks. Just get a good feel of your new app. Thanks very much for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our next video. And if you have a sec, comment below. Let us know what you want to hear on our next topic. We hope you have a great day here at Money Simple.